Hey learner, this is nileshhanumantborate. So in this video we are going to see the array in a PHP or how to use the array in a PHP. So see, arrays are the collection of data items stored under a single name. So array provides a mechanism for declaring and accessing the several data items with only one identifier, thereby simplifying the task of data management. We use array when we have to deal with multiple data items. So array function is used to create an array. So next one is that there are the two ways to define an array. First one is that the numeric or the index array, and second one is that the associative array. So numeric or index array, in this array index will be represented by a number. So by default numeric array index start from 0. So these two examples. So A 0th position, here assign the value 12, and A at the first index assign the value 22. So there is a one more operator. So this like an arrow. So this operator lets you create the key value pair in an array. The item on the left side is the key and right side is that the value. So see here, this is the one example, name equal to array. So here this is the value, this is the value, and if you want to assign this CC value at the index 5, then use this way 5 arrow CC and then DD. Okay, so here by default index starting from 0, so this index is the 0, this is the 1, so this index is that the 5, and here now index of DD is that the 6. They continue the number of the previous one. Okay, then second one is that the associative array. So in this array index or the key will be represented by a string. So that type of array is called as a associative array. So see, this is one example. A, the key name is that you are the string. So A of name is equal to Nilesh. See the another example, array name equal to Nilesh. So this is key, this is your the value. So key is also in a string type, value is also in a string type. So see, website is your key and this is your the value, nileshtechnology.in. So now here we combine this numeric and the associative array. So this is your the mixed array. So see, this is your the example array name equal to Nilesh. So this is ABCPQR doesn't have the any key, means that this key is starting from 0. So 0, 1. Then website equal to nileshtechnology.in, then the element. So now index is that the 2. Okay, so if the value have the key, then there is not an issue, but if doesn't have the any key, then this key is default starting from 0. So next one is that there are some built-in functions. So by using the unset function, we remove the one element or the delete an element at the specific index in an array. Then by using count function, we count the total number of elements in an array, and there are two built-in functions, print underscore r and the var underscore dump. By using these two functions, we print the array directly without any loop. Okay, so printer is used to display the information and the var dump is used to display the information with its data type and the value of the variables. Okay, so next one is that there is a one more loop in a PHP, that is a foreach. Okay, so this is like a for loop. So they work only on array and it is used to loop through the each key value pair in an array. So see, this is your the syntax for each, passed here the array name, then there is a keyword adds, and here pass the one variable $value, and this is your block of code. So same here, this is the another syntax in a PHP. By using the for each, here use the colon, and there is a one more keyword end for each semicolon. So see here, on each iteration the value of a current element is assigned to this the $value, this $value, and the internal array pointer is advanced by 1 automatically. So there is no need to add the one increment decrement expression. So it goes to the next element, okay, directly. So next one is that the multidimensional array. So like C, C++, Java, in PHP we use the multidimensional array. So see, this is one example. Here there is a one array and inside this there are total the two elements, first and the second. And in first element there is one more array which have the three elements, and second array which have the again three elements. So this is a, in outer array there are total two elements, and in inner array there are total the three elements. So it is a 2 by 3 size of an array. Okay, so let's see the one by one example, so you get the detailed information about the each topic. So going to program mode. So let's see one example. So here we remove this code. So here first one is that the index array. So here a of 0 is equal to 2, then a of 2 is equal to 4. So by using echo, here we print the value of $a of 0, here semicolon. Here value is that the 2. So here if the $a of is equal to 10, if you not assign the any index here, then automatically they goes to the next number, means they have the index is that the 3. Okay, so see here a of 3 is that the 10. So by using the array function we define one array. So $a is equal to array. So see here 4, 5, 6, 7. So by default index start from 0. So 0, 1, 2 and the 3. So at third position the value is that the 7. So here we print a of 3 means that the value is that the 7. So there is a semicolon, save this 7. Okay, so there is a one more advantage is in PHP is that here you define the multiple data types in a single array. So first see here these two numbers are in integer, these two R's are the floating point, and one more is that the string. Okay, and save these changes. So see 23.22, this is the third position, 0, 1, 2 and the 3. Okay, so in PHP array is a collection of elements, not on a collection of a similar types of a data element. Okay, so in PHP you store the multiple data types element in a single array. So this is the one advantage compared to other languages. Then if you have assigned this value by using this fifth index, so see here this is 0, 1, then 5, 6 and the 7. So if you want to print the a of 7, then see here ABC. Okay, so they automatically continue the indexes of the previous one. So here by default index is that the 0, 1. So here we assign this index in manually. So this is your the fifth index. Then see this is the sixth index and this is the seventh index. Then see the example of associative array. So here we define one array. So for example, name is equal to Nilesh, comma, website is equal to nileshhanumantborate.in. And if you try to print the name, then see here name is that. So here Nilesh Technology is in a double quote and this name is in outside double quote. Okay, a of $name, and here we concat by using the PR. So save here this is a Nilesh. Same here this is your the website, save. Okay, so like this way we access the value by using the key. Then there is a built-in function in an PHP, that is a printer or the var_dum. So see here by using the printer we print the array directly. So see here this is your output, array name equal to Nilesh, website equal to nileshtechnology.in. So if you want to print all the elements in an array, then use this printer function. See here var_dum, this is another one, var_dum$a. So save these changes. See here, so this is array which have the two elements. So first element is that the name which have the data type string of the length is that the 6. So see here 6 letters. Then website, this is nileshtechnology.in, type is that the string. So total number of character is that the 90. So they print the array is in a detail, so with your the data types, and if your data type is in a string, then they also count the total number of character that value. Okay, so these two functions are used to print the array. So if you want to print the elements in an array one by one, then here by using the for loop or by using the for each. So first one we see that, so here we declare the one numerical array 3 4 5 6 and print this array by using for loop. So $i equal to 0, and here $i is less than, by using count function, count of $b and $i plus plus. So here we print the every number by using this for loop. So echo $b of $i, and then here we concat br. So save these changes 3 4 5 6. So count function count the total number of array elements. So see here there are total 4 elements. So this for loop are executed 4 times starting from the index 0. So same here we print again by using the for each. So see here by for each. So see syntax for each, then here your array name b adds here your one variable val, and here we print echo $val br. So save these changes. Here by using for each we print the array. So here compared to this for loop, this for each syntax is very easy to use. Okay, so that's why for each is most used in a PHP compared to for loop when you are using in an array. So there is one more syntax, that is a colon, and here is a end for each semicolon. Then we print this associative array by using for each. So see here $a as $val and save. So see here Nilesh and the Nilesh technology. So if you want to key as well as value, then see here $k arrow $val. So this is key, this is value. So if you want to print the key with value, then here $k, then we use the one string equal and again concat the $value. So save here name equal to Nilesh, website equal to Nilesh technology .in. Okay, so let's see the one example of a multidimensional array. So here we define one array $a equal to array. So here again there are total 2 arrays in this array. So here 1 2 3, and here again 2 numbers 4 5. So by using printer you can also print this array. So see here $a save. See 0th index there is one array. Okay, and this array again have index 0 1 2, and this is second index again one array, then again 0 and 1 have number 4 and the 5, and this array is print by using the for each or by using the for loop. So see here by using the for each $a as $val. Here we print the $val. So see here, so see there is one notice, because this value is again an array. So this value is print by using the printer function, not by using the echo. So again here we use the one for each. So this value as $v, and here we print echo $v br. So save 2 3 4. So see 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like this way. So students, test this code on your machine. So on next video we will see that the strings in a PHP. So till if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.